When it comes to engagement rings, some styles come and go, while others remain timeless. The solitaire diamond ring belongs firmly in the second category. Elegant, timeless, and effortlessly beautiful, the solitaire diamond ring continues to be one of the most popular choices for couples who want something meaningful, versatile, and enduring. If you have ever searched for jewelry near me while exploring engagement rings, you have likely noticed how often solitaire settings appear. There is a good reason for that. The benefits of choosing a solitaire diamond ring go far beyond its appearance. From highlighting the beauty of the diamond to offering long-term flexibility and easy care, the solitaire ring remains a smart and heartfelt choice. Whether you are visiting jewelry stores for inspiration, browsing jewelry in Arcadia, or comparing options at jewelry stores in Arcadia, understanding why solitaire rings are so beloved can help you choose a ring you will love for a lifetime. What makes a solitaire diamond ring so special? A solitaire diamond ring features a single diamond as the centerpiece, set on a simple band without additional side stones. This design puts all the attention on one stone and allows its brilliance to shine without distraction. Unlike more elaborate designs, solitaire rings do not rely on trends or extra embellishments. Their beauty comes from proportion, craftsmanship, and the quality of the diamond itself. Many jewelry stores recommend solitaire settings to clients who want a ring that feels classic rather than trendy. For anyone searching for the nearest jewelry option and hoping to make a confident decision, the solitaire ring offers clarity and simplicity in a crowded market. Timeless design that never feels outdated. One of the biggest benefits of choosing a solitaire diamond ring is its timeless appeal. Trends change, but simplicity endures. A solitaire ring looks just as elegant today as it did decades ago, and it will continue to do so for generations. This makes solitaire rings an excellent choice for those who want their engagement ring to age gracefully. Jewelry stores often point out that solitaire designs do not feel tied to a specific era. They work beautifully with both modern and classic styles. For shoppers browsing jewelry in Arcadia or visiting jewelry stores in Arcadia, this timeless quality often brings peace of mind. You are not choosing a ring that may feel outdated in a few years. You are choosing something that always feels right. The diamond takes center stage. A solitaire setting allows the diamond to truly shine. Without side stones or decorative elements, the eye is drawn directly to the center stone. This makes the diamond's cut, sparkle, and overall quality more noticeable. This is especially appealing to buyers who appreciate craftsmanship and want to invest in a beautiful stone. When comparing rings at different jewelry stores, many people are surprised by how much more prominent a diamond looks in a solitaire setting. If you have searched for jewelry near me, hoping to see diamonds in person, you will quickly notice how solitaire rings highlight the stone more clearly than other styles. Versatility for everyday wear. Solitaire diamond rings are incredibly versatile. Their clean design makes them easy to wear every day, whether you are dressed casually or attending a formal event. This versatility is one reason solitaire rings remain so popular among people with active lifestyles. They are comfortable, practical, and elegant without feeling excessive. Many jewelry stores recommend solitaire rings for those who want a ring that fits seamlessly into daily life. The simple design also pairs well with a wide variety of wedding bands. Over time, you can add bands or stack rings without overwhelming the original design. Easier care and maintenance. Over time, from a practical perspective, solitaire diamond rings are often easier to maintain than more complex designs. With fewer stones and a simpler structure, there are fewer areas where issues can arise. If you ever need jewelry repair around me services, a solitaire ring is generally easier to assess and repair. Tasks such as resizing, prong tightening, or polishing tend to be more straightforward. For those living locally, having access to Arcadia jewelry repair makes maintenance even easier. A trusted Arcadia jewelry repair shop can help keep your ring looking beautiful for years to come without unnecessary complications. A perfect canvas for customization. While solitaire rings are simple, they are far from limited. One of the lesser-known benefits of choosing a solitaire diamond ring is how customizable it can be. You can personalize a solitaire ring by selecting the metal type, band width, prong style, and diamond shape. Whether you prefer yellow gold, white gold, rose gold, or platinum, the solitaire setting adapts beautifully. Many jewelry stores in Arcadia offer custom solitaire designs that allow you to create something truly personal while maintaining a timeless look. This balance between simplicity and individuality is a major reason solitaire rings remain so popular. A strong symbol of commitment. Symbolically, the solitaire diamond ring carries powerful meaning. A single diamond represents unity, clarity, and enduring commitment. Its simplicity reflects the idea that one strong bond does not need embellishment. This symbolism resonates deeply with couples who value meaning over extravagance. When people search for the nearest jewelry shop, they are often looking for more than just a ring. They are choosing a symbol of their future together. A solitaire ring communicates confidence and intention. It says that what matters most is the relationship itself. Ideal for long-term value and heirloom solitaire. Diamond rings also hold strong long-term value. Their classic design makes them easy to pass down through generations or redesign in the future. Heirloom solitaire diamonds can be reset, resized, or updated while preserving the original stone. This flexibility is one reason many families prefer solitaire rings when planning heirloom pieces. If future updates or repairs are needed, having access to jewelry repair around me or Arcadia jewelry repair services ensures the ring remains wearable and cherished over time. Why choosing a local jeweler matters. Where you buy your solitaire ring matters just as much as the design itself. Local jewelry stores provide expertise, transparency, and personalized service that online retailers often cannot match. When you search for jewelry near me or explore jewelry stores in Arcadia, you gain the opportunity to work directly with experienced jewelers who can guide you through every step. From diamond selection to setting details, local jewelers take the time to educate and support you. They are also there long after the purchase. Whether you need routine maintenance or visit an Arcadia jewelry repair shop years later, that ongoing relationship makes a real difference. Discover timeless solitaire rings at Dorano Jewelry. If the benefits of choosing a solitaire diamond ring speak to you, Dorano Jewelry is the perfect place to begin your search. Whether you are looking for jewelry near me, exploring trusted jewelry stores, or shopping for exceptional jewelry in Arcadia, Dorano Jewelry offers an experience rooted in craftsmanship, honesty, and care. As one of the most respected jewelry stores in Arcadia, Dorano Jewelry specializes in timeless solitaire diamond rings and custom designs tailored to your story. Our team takes pride in offering thoughtful guidance, ensuring you feel confident and informed every step of the way. Dorano Jewelry is also a trusted destination for jewelry repair around me services. As a reliable Arcadia jewelry repair shop, we provide expert care for engagement rings, heirloom pieces, and everyday jewelry, helping your most meaningful items last a lifetime. If you are still searching for the nearest jewelry destination that combines elegance, expertise, and personal service, Dorano Jewelry is ready to help. Visit www.doranojewelry.com to explore our collection, schedule a consultation, and discover why so many clients trust us to celebrate life's most important moments.